Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Today, we are talking about two structures that look almost identical and that learners and even educated native speakers sometimes mix up. These two phrases are used to describe someone who is left or is no longer present, but they carry different grammatical meanings and slightly different feelings. Understanding the difference between them is a mark of real precision in English.
Yes, and what makes this topic so fascinating is that both sentences use the word gone, but the verb that comes before gone is different, and that difference tells you about the grammatical structure and the focus of each sentence. Today, we are going to break this down completely.
The two structures today are he is gone and he has gone. Let us start by looking at what each one is doing grammatically.
He has gone uses the present perfect tense. The structure is subject plus have or has plus past participle. He has gone. She has gone. They have gone. The has is the auxiliary verb, and gone is the past participle of go.
He is gone uses the verb to be as the main verb. The structure is subject plus is or are or was plus gone. Here, gone is being used as an adjective or as part of a passive-like structure. He is gone, she is gone, they are gone.
So the key difference is the helping verb. Has signals present perfect tense. Is signals the verb to be with gone as a descriptive word.
Now let us talk about what each structure communicates. He has gone focuses on the action of leaving. It tells you that the action of going happened at some point in the recent past, and the result is relevant now. He is not here because he has gone somewhere. The action and its result are both in focus.
He is gone focuses on the state of absence. It describes the current situation. He is not here. He is absent. The emphasis is on the state of being gone, rather than on the action of going.
So, has gone is more about the action and the process. Is gone is more about the resulting state and the fact of absence.
Let me give you a simple comparison. Someone asks, "Where is David?" You could say, "He has gone to the meeting." This focuses on the action. He went to the meeting, and that is why he is not here right now.
Or you could say, he is gone. This focuses on his absence. He is not here. The state of him being absent is what matters.
He has gone to the meeting gives more information. It tells you where he went and implies he will come back. He is gone is more final feeling. It describes the state of absence without necessarily saying where or implying return.
That finality is an important quality of he is gone. When something or someone is gone, it can feel more permanent or emotionally significant than when something or someone has gone somewhere.
The light is gone means it has disappeared, perhaps permanently. She is gone can mean she has died or she has left and will not return. He is gone from her life means he is no longer part of it.
These uses of is gone carry emotional weight and often suggest something more final or significant than just a temporary departure.
Now, he has gone can also be used without saying where someone went. He has gone for the day. He has gone home. He has gone out. These all imply a destination or reason, even when it is brief.
And he has gone is natural when describing someone who left and will return. She has gone to the shops. She has gone to collect the children. He has gone to get some coffee. These are temporary departures.
Now, let me go deeper into the present perfect structure with has gone, because understanding this tense helps everything fall into place.
The present perfect always connects the past to the present. Has gone means the going happened before this moment, and the result of that going is felt or relevant now. He has gone means he left at some point before now, and the current reality is that he is not here.
Has gone is the present perfect of go. It is one of the most common present perfect verbs in everyday English. Where has she gone? He has gone for a walk. They have all gone home.
And the present perfect is often used to give news or report recent events. He has just gone. She has already gone. They have not gone yet. All of these use the present perfect to report on the status of someone's departure relative to now.
Now, let me also explain why is gone works differently from just is. When you say he is happy, happy is a straightforward adjective describing his state. When you say he is gone, gone is also working like an adjective describing his state of absence. He is in a state of being gone.
This is why is gone can sound more emotionally significant than has gone. Gone as a descriptive word captures the state of absence as a quality or condition. He is absent, he is gone. The finality is built into the word.
And this adjective-like quality of gone explains why you can modify it like an adjective. He is long gone means he has been absent for a long time. She is already gone. It is gone forever. The modifiers work with gone as if it were an adjective.
Long gone is a wonderful expression. That car is long gone. The money is long gone. Those days are long gone. It means gone a long time ago and completely absent now.
Now, let me also talk about some important expressions that use is gone and has gone, because knowing these in context builds real fluency.
Gone but not forgotten is a very common expression used when someone has died or departed. They are gone, but we still remember them. The is form is implied here. They are gone, but not forgotten.
Here today and gone tomorrow means something is temporary and will not last. Don't get attached to material things. Here today and gone tomorrow.
When something is gone, it's gone means once something is used up or lost, it cannot be recovered. Save some for later. When it's gone, it's gone.
All gone means there's nothing left. Is there any cake left? Nope, it's all gone. Children use all gone to describe something that has been completely used up or eaten.
Now let me talk about the difference between has gone and has been, because this confuses many learners.
Good point. Has been to somewhere and has gone to somewhere mean different things. Has gone to means the person went and is still there. They have not returned. He has gone to Paris. He is currently in Paris.
Has been to means the person went and has come back. They have returned. He has been to Paris. He went to Paris at some point in the past and he is back now.
So, has gone to means away and still there. Has been to means went and returned.
Where is he? He has gone to Paris means he is in Paris right now. He has been to Paris means he visited at some point, but he's not there now.
This distinction between has gone and has been is really important for expressing whether someone is currently away or has returned.
Now let me also mention was gone, because this adds another dimension. Was gone is the past version of is gone. He was gone when I arrived. She was gone by the time I got there. The state of being gone in the past.
Was gone describes a state of absence in the past. He was gone for 3 hours. They were gone by morning. It follows the same adjective-like pattern as is gone, but set in the past.
Now let us go through the most common mistakes learners make with these two structures.
Mistake number 1 is using is gone when has gone would be more precise for describing a recent action with the destination. Saying he is gone to the meeting instead of he has gone to the meeting. When you're describing the action and where someone went, use has gone.
Mistake number 2 is using has gone when is gone would better capture the state of permanent absence or emotional finality, saying the opportunity has gone forever instead of the opportunity is gone forever. For permanent absence, is gone carries more weight.
Mistake number 3 is confusing has gone to and has been to, saying he has gone to London when he is actually back home. If he has returned, use has been to. If he is still there, use has gone to.
Mistake number 4 is not knowing long gone as an expression, writing it has been gone for a long time when long gone captures the same idea more naturally and concisely. Those days are long gone.
And mistake number 5 is using was gone to describe a recent departure when has gone is more appropriate. Saying he was gone to the office this morning in British English when he has gone to the office is the natural present perfect form for recent departures.
Mistake number 6 is not recognizing that is gone with gone as an adjective-like word is a valid structure, thinking something must be wrong when they see is gone because they only know has gone as the correct form.
And mistake number 7 is not knowing all gone and it is gone as everyday expressions. These are very common, especially in spoken English, and not recognizing them causes confusion.
Now let me give you a clear guide for choosing between the two structures.
Ready.
Someone left the office 30 minutes ago to get lunch and will return soon.
He has gone to get lunch. Present perfect for a recent action with a destination and an implied return. Has gone.
A person who was once important in your life has completely disappeared from it and the relationship is finished.
He is gone from my life. The state of permanent absence with emotional weight is gone.
All the cookies on the plate have been eaten.
They are all gone. The state of being absent, used up, completely finished, is gone or all gone.
A friend visited Paris last year and has since returned home.
She has been to Paris. Has been to because she went and came back, not has gone to because she is no longer there.
Something from the past that no longer exists and has been absent for a long time.
Long gone. Those opportunities are long gone. The adjective like gone modified by long.
Someone left the building just now and you are reporting this to a colleague.
He has just gone. Present perfect for a very recent departure. Has just gone.
The sun set an hour ago and it is now dark.
The sun is gone. Describing the state of absence, the sun is gone for the night.
A student wants to say they visited the museum last week and have since returned.
I have been to the museum. Has been to for a completed visit where the person has returned.
Every answer was thoughtful and well-reasoned.
And listeners, I hope you were working through each one. The guiding questions are always the same. Is this about the action of going with a destination? Has gone. Is this about the state of absence, particularly permanent or emotionally significant absence? Is gone. Did the person go and come back? Has been to. Did the person go and is still there? Has gone to.
Action with destination equals has gone. State of absence equals is gone. Return trip equals has been to.
Now let me close with something that I think will make these structures feel completely natural.
Please.
English gives you 2 different ways to describe absence because absence itself has 2 different qualities. There's the fresh absence, the just departed person, the action of leaving that just happened. Has gone captures that. There's also the settled absence, the state of being gone that has sunk in, the finality. Is gone captures that.
And the difference between these 2 ways of experiencing absence is something every human being understands. When someone leaves the room, it's different from when someone leaves your life. English has a grammatical way of expressing that difference, and now you know it.
That kind of depth in grammar, where the form actually reflects something real about human experience, is what makes English such a rich and expressive language.
Thank you so much for being here today. We hope he has gone and he has been to feel completely clear, and that you feel genuinely ready to use both structures with confidence and precision.
Keep going, and we'll see you in the next episode.